Welcome back, Catskill. This is Alex
and Alessia
coming at you with this week's news.
We hope you had a great week.
Now let's get right into it. As we honor Dr. Martin Luther King's legacy, it's important to recognize that his impact goes far beyond just one day.
That's why February is celebrated as Black History Month, a time to reflect on the achievements, contributions, and resilience of Black leaders, innovators, and trailblazers throughout history. From civil rights pioneers to artists, athletes, and inventors, Black history is American history, and it continues to shape the world we live in today.
So throughout this month, let's take time to learn, celebrate, and appreciate the stories that deserve to be told. Now let's get into this week's news.
The Martin Luther King March for Peace and Justice will take place on Tuesday, February 5th.
Celebrating Black History Month and Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, the annual Martin Luther King Jr. March for Peace and Justice will be held on Tuesday, February 25th. It starts at the First Baptist Church on Main Street, then continues to the Greene County Courthouse and concludes at the front steps of the middle school. The elementary and middle school business clubs will be speaking at the middle school, and the high school chorus will be singing. We hope to see everyone there.
Send your old records, also called vinyls, to be used in the musical Hairspray and bring them to the high school main office. All donations are appreciated.
The Sisters in the Brotherhood Carpentry are hosting a pre-apprenticeship program in 2025 throughout New York State. Interested students should sign up in the information session to learn more about the program.
Additionally, the Carpenters Union Training Center in Albany annual open house will be in 4 days, May 19th to the 22nd, 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. They will also have hands-on demos for the students as well as a tour of the facility. Learn about the Carpenters Union and how to get started. Contact Rich Bogardis at 518-438-0901 for more information. Want to do a research project for a potential scholarship? New York State is hosting a historical research project competition posted at the Consider the Source NY website. See Mr. McAllister for more details.
There will be a winter break information session for SUNY Adirondack at 10 a.m. on Friday, February 21st. Email at admissions@sunyacc.edu or call 518-742-2264 to register.
Catskill Bicycle Supply Company is hosting an open workshop every Friday in January and February from 5 to 8 p.m. Bring your own tools and learn how to work on your bike. Only a few spots open, so book them now.
Catskill Central School District has nominated Catskill Middle School art teacher Carly Gazorian for the 2026 New York State Teacher of the Year Award.
Get ready, Catskill, for the 17th Annual Spring Rush. To register, visit the Spring Rush website using the QR code.
Race for a reason at the 17th Annual Catskill Spring Rush Triathlon and Sprint 5K on Saturday, May 31st, 2025. Join us for an unforgettable day of competition featuring a triathlon 5K run, 15K bike ride, and kayak race along the stunning Catskill Creek in the Sprint 5K race. We're racing for a reason in memory of our beloved teacher, Miss Schindler, with proceeds supporting the Greene County Women's League to help local families battling cancer. And don't miss your chance to win our raffle of an electric bike sponsored by the Catskill Bike Shop. Learn more at the Spring Rush website or register today at active.com. The Catskill Spring Rush Triathlon and Sprint 5K, Saturday, May 31st, 2025 Race for a reason.
Save the date for the Catskill Job Fair on Wednesday, March 12th from 10:30 a.m. to noon in the Catskill High School Library Media Center. The CHS class of 2027 will be hosting the Harlem Wizards on February 12th at 6:30.
You okay? Oh, no, I'm not okay. It's Harlem Wizard Town, baby. What do you mean it's Harlem Wizard Town? Listen, your energy's too low. No, I need you to pick it up. I need you to pick it up. I need you to pick it up. I'm with you now. Why are we so excited? Because the Harlem Wizard game is a feeling nothing like you've ever experienced in your life. You're right.
Y'all ready? Let's go. I need y'all to get real hype out here. Let's go. Come on. What is it? A blizzard. What team is it? The Wizards.
Hey kids, it's the world famous Harlem Wizards inviting you to come see our live show of outrageous trick hoops and alley-oops. Let me tell you something, it's nothing like the feeling of going to a Harlem Wizards show. I'm talking about threes from downtown. Slam dunks. I'm talking about kids going crazy, dancing. The Harlem Wizards take on the teachers and community members. It's amazing. It's one of the most interactive shows you'll ever see.
My name's Trisha and I love this. It's like so fun and exciting seeing our teachers compete against the Harlem Wizards. I love this.
Got everybody out having a great time.
We're kind of rusty. We're a little old, but we want to say that our defense is our main goal and priority, 120%.
You can get yourself a swag out Harlem Wizard jersey, and you'll be a whiz kid.
That was fun. It was so cool.
I had a great time. It was very exciting.
You want to come to the game? It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. Bring grandma.
Yes.
Bring your sons, your daughters. Bring your next door neighbors. This is fun for everybody. And I guarantee you, it's going to be an amazing time.
That's right.
I got to chill with all my friends and I got to see some amazing shirts. It was really awesome, son.
I had a good time. It was awesome.
This was fun. Oh my gosh, I'm just tired from cheering and yelling stuff.
The Harlem Wizards players are just the most wonderful, genuine group of people, and we absolutely love working with them.
What a game! What a game! Unbelievable!
You don't want to miss it. Yeah, you're going to get your tickets on HarlemWizards.com. It promises to be awe-inspiring.
Is it going to be a fun time for everybody?
It's going to be a fun time. You guys need to make sure you come out and see this amazing show. See you at the game.
That's all for now, Catskill. I'm Alex.
And Alessia,
Thanks for watching Catskill and Catswell.